Hi, this is Chinmayi. The other day I went into Health and Glow in Chennai, in Nungambakam to be particular, and I saw that they had rows and shelves of sheet masks. Oh my lord, I'm so happy.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. Now that I have clarified that I no longer look like an idiot, hopefully, let me tell you what I picked up from Health and Glow. So this is the Dermal Korea brand that I saw at Health and Glow, and this is the Snail Collagen Essence Mask. This is the Arbutin Healing Essence Mask, which is whitening and anti-wrinkle. And I found these eye patches which claims to whiten. Usually what happens with all of this is that most of these products do not whiten. Asia is obsessed with whitening and more whitening, but what they actually mean is they will brighten, right? There are no bleaching agents in it that will make your skin white. I have a problem with all this, but India is obsessed with fair skin. But what can we do? And when all these brands come, they do a market study, they look at what consumers want, and they see that anything that says fairness, white skin will sell like hotcakes. So you really can't blame them because our mindset is like this. Any which way, this Dermal Collagen Snail Essence Mask is something that I really liked for moisturizing my face. This Arbutin Essence mask, this was actually like a cotton sheet, and it stayed moist for well over 40 minutes, and I really liked it. Of course, it didn't have any brightening effects on my skin. It did leave my skin a little moisturized, which after a point, of course, because I don't know whether it is because of the fact that Hyderabad's weather is like that or whether the sheet mask quality is like that, I saw that there was nothing left on my skin. It had completely absorbed, and there was not even a tacky finish. So I'm going to be trying this in Chennai's weather to see if I get the same results, because Chennai is basically humid and I don't know if the same results will be mimicked there. The other couple of sheet masks that I tried are from Garnier. So now these are priced at about 99 a pop. So what I did try was a vitamin C serum mask, and it actually gave me a cold. I don't know whether it had anything to do with it, or whether it was the general change in weather, and whether it was because of the weather. The sheet mask was cold. I put it onto my face and it led me to a running nose, and I started sneezing basically. So I'm not going to be randomly connecting it, but it just followed one thing after the other. It did moisturize my skin a lot. And when somebody says that the vitamin C and everything, one of the best things about all of this is that you have options here, right here in India, when you want to use sheet masks for your skincare. So now this is the Hydra Bomb Super Hydrating Sheet Mask, and this is the Sakura White Super Hydrating Pinkish Glow Tissue Mask. Now these two I haven't tried yet. I'm going to be trying them, and I'm going to be putting it up on Instagram, and be sure to check it out when I put it up. However, I do think that this whitening eye patch did nothing much for my under eyes, right? I'm not too kicked with it, but if you just want an eye patch to wear under your eyes while you go to sleep, or if you're traveling, or if you want to wear it while you're going about wearing your makeup, and you want to finish your eye makeup first and then go about the rest of your face, this is something that can moisturize your under eyes. That's fine, but otherwise I don't think it's the bee's knees. So that's that. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye bye.